In March 1918, with nearly 50 additional divisions freed by the Russian surrender on the Eastern Front, the Imperial German Army launches a series of attacks on the Western Front, hoping to defeat the Allied nations before U.S. forces can fully deploy. A third offensive launched in May against the French between Soissons and Reims, known as the Third Battle of the Aisne, saw the Germans reach the north bank of the Marne River at Château-Thierry, 59 miles from Paris, on 27 May. Beginning 31 May, the 7th Machine Gun Battalion of the U.S. Army 3rd Infantry Division supports the French Senegalese skirmishers in holding the German advance at Château-Thierry. In difficult house-to-house fighting, and the German advancement turns right towards Vaux, France, and Belleau Wood. On 1 June, Château-Thierry and Vaux fall, and German troops move into Belleau Wood. The U.S. 2nd Infantry Division, including the 4th Marine Brigade, is brought up along the Paris-Metz Highway. The U.S. Army 9th Infantry Regiment is placed between the highway and the Marne, while the 6th Marine Regiment deploys to their left. The 5th Marine Regiment and the U.S. Army 23rd Infantry Regiment are placed in reserve. On the evening of 1 June, German forces pierce a hole in the French lines to the left of the Marines' position. In response, the U.S. Reserve, the 1st Battalion 5th Marines under Major Julius Spear Turrill, an element of the Marine 6th Machine Gun Battalion, and the 23rd Infantry Regiment under U.S. Army Colonel Paul Malone conduct a forced march over 6 miles to the patch in the gap of the line, which is achieved by dawn. By the night of 2 June, the U.S. forces hold a 12-mile front line north of the Paris-Metz Highway, running through grain fields and scattered woods, from Triangle Farm west to Lucy-le-Bocage, and then north to Hill 142. The German line opposite runs from Vaux to Belleau Wood, and German commanders order an advance on Marigny and Lucy through Belleau Wood, as part of a major offensive in which other German troops could cross the Marne River. The commander of the 4th Marine Brigade, U.S. Army General James Harbord, countermanding a French order to dig trenches further to the rear, orders the U.S. Marines to hold where they stand. With bayonets, the Marines dig shallow fighting positions from which they can shoot from the prone position. As always, stay salty, stay safe, Semper Fi, and carry on.